Hello and welcome to another product close-up video for the Trinity Stamps channel. This is for the September 2020 release, and today we're looking at the Fang-tastic Friends stamp set. This is a 3x4 stamp set, and it is perfect for your super spooky cute Halloween cards. This one features an adorable little bat in two different poses. You have a little string or banner type stamp where you can hang the bat from or create a banner out of it with the little coordinating images that go along with that. We've also got a few super cute sentiments, including "I love you this much," "You are fantastic," "Have a Halloween, let's hang out batty for you," and you can pair and mix and match "fantastic" with those. So "Have a fantastic Halloween" or "You are a fantastic friend." I think this is super adorable, and there are so many possibilities here. I just showed you an example of how you can stamp out the whole entire stamp set at once in case you like to keep a catalog of all of your stamped images, or if you just want to stamp everything out at once so you can cut and mix and match things. That's really handy as well. We're looking now at some product inspiration for the design team. They've created some examples for you guys to get you motivated and into the craft room to get ready to create with Fang-tastic Friends. I hope you guys love this stamp set as much as we do, and I can't wait to see what you guys create with it. Thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day.